You thought you had me? Try again, mortal.
Keep your eye on the ball, dear. Don't strain yourself.
Ah, my elbow. Thud.
What a nitty.
What happened? I was attacked by a witch and her weapons. That looks like pickleball elbow.
What type of dark witchcraft is this?
Pickleball elbow is when you swing your weapon, that tiny paddle, too many times and the muscles on the outside of your elbow get angry and worn out.
Now, every time you grip or strike, your arm rebels like a weak soldier and sends pain shooting through your battle arm.
So to end the curse, we must slay the witch?
Yes.
But not the way that you think. Take a look at this.
Massage. Putty squeeze. Isometric wrist extension. Press supination pronation.
I said one more game. You want to run, or you gonna face me?
You're gonna regret this, barbarian.
Oh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Ugh, what the? Oof. Ah, that hurts.
Oh, would you stop being a weenie?